Another fine vehicle offered by Texas Nissan of Grapevine.
This is a 2002 Mitsubishi Montero for when safety, size, and space are of importance. This Mitsubishi has a long list of incredible features including power windows, cruise control, dual airbags, a security system, and this automobile's stylish design always looks great. It features a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This Mitsubishi has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this SUV in person.